Hello friends, welcome to TechCat, and today we will discuss about how to upload video on YouTube channel. The main problem is that how to upload video on YouTube channel so that it will be viral and can easily reach to the people. Most of the people have problem that their video is not getting views, and there are multiple reasons for that. The very first is when our channel is new and we don't get views, it's common, so no need to worry that. And the second one is you have not good title, descriptions and tags on your video. So today we will talk on title, tags, description and the thumbnails of the video. Today I will tell you some of the tools and extensions by which you can create good titles and tags. So now let's start the topic. Firstly, you have to open the Google and search for YouTube. Here is the YouTube link. Click on that. Then sign in on your YouTube channel. Then click on your channel. You will reach on your home page. You can see here is the option upload. Click on that and go to upload video. You can see here is the alert box will be appear on the screen. Then select a file which you want to upload on your YouTube channel. I select a video, then open that video. Okay. Now it's uploading. You can see here is the processing of the video. You can see here is the three options: details, video elements and visibility. Firstly, we have to fill the details of the video. You can see here is the first option, title. It's very important to give a title to our video. You can also search later titles on YouTube and Google. From here you can easily analyze which is your title for video. In title, you need to use more keywords and it cannot be too short. And you can search from YouTube or Google. And just write these lines so that it can be easily understood by you. And here is also a point: mention the language of your video in your title. Like my video is in English language, so I write here English. It's also a positive point in your video. Here is the counting of the alphabets which I use in my title. I use maximum 100 alphabets in my video. Okay. In description, use keywords and give a short description within 2 to 3 lines. Then there is call to actions in description. Call to action means in your description you can give your website links or your blog links in the video. And then in the next paragraph give a description about your video, that what content is in your video. Then give the links of related videos in your channel. And the next one is describe your channel and give some links for your subscription. Then social networking profile links can be added on your description. For example, your Facebook account, your Twitter or your Google account. You can mention in your description. Then you can see here is the question: is this video is made for kids? If your video is for kids, then click here, yes, it's made for kids. If it's not made for kids, then click on no, it's not made for kids. This step is required due to COPPA Act. Then the next one is add tags in your video. In text, you can insert related keywords, sentence, words. You can also add sentence. It's mandatory to add channel name in your tags. Then the next one is add a thumbnail to your video. Basically, YouTube suggests 3 different thumbnails from your video, but I suggest you create your own thumbnail and upload your video. You can click here and choose your thumbnail which you created, then open. Now our video is ready to upload. Click on next. Here is the second option. You can add an end screen and you can also add cards to your video. These two things are optional. If you want to add, then add this on your video. And if you don't want to add these things, then you can skip. Then click on next. And here is the privacy policy. You can see you can show your video to public, or you can unlist or private upload your video. You can choose according to your requirements. Okay, then click on publish. You can see here is the alert box in which write video published. Then click on close. You can see this is my video and it is published in my channel. So friends, I hope you learned how to upload a video on your YouTube channel. If you like this video, then share this video and subscribe my channel. Take care. Thank you.